This is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the parental control feature for this device. So you gotta start with Launch in Settings, then find and enter the Users and Accounts category. In here, check whether you have any Google accounts linked or added to your system. If you have some, the way I do, you will need to remove those Google accounts one by one, if you have multiple, of course. So once there are no Google accounts left, you gotta get back to the main settings page and enter the Google category this time. Then tap at the parental controls feature, get started, child routine, next. So in here, you will need to sign into your child's Google account, so let's quickly do that. If you do not have any Google account ready for your child, you can just sign up for one by going for the Create Account option, but in my case I do have an account to use, so that's why I will simply log into said Google account. So input the email address, then follow it by entering the password, and then just proceed with the Google sign-in as you would normally do. The next step is to select the said Google account from the list over here. And now we gotta enter another Google account credentials, but this time the Google account that you will use to supervise your child's activity. So input the email address, then type in the password to your parental Google account. At the following About Supervision page, you will need to input the child's Google account password one more time at the very bottom of the, said page. So let me do it real quick. Then tap at the Agree button. After that, you should get the following Allow Supervision dialog window, which, you gotta go for the Allow option on, and then wait for the parent and child Google accounts to get linked together. Now you gotta tap at the Next button and the setup shut itself down, but that's not a great deal because everything that should go further, actually it did not, it just gotten me back to the settings page, but miraculously I can proceed. So the Manage Child App step we can skip. There is no reason to do that now, since we will be able to do this process later on and with greater precision. And right now I would assume that we are more focused on finishing this setup sooner. The same applies for the filters and settings, so we can skip those two initial steps. And from here, if the device that is highlighted or if the device that is typed in a bold font is the phone or tablet that you will be using to supervise your child's activity, you can tap at the blue Install Family Link button and the required app will get automatically downloaded and installed on your parental phone or device, or you can absolutely do that manually. So let me show you the manual way. So as you can see, the parental controls were enabled at the child's end. Now take your parental device, launch the Play Store, and download the Family Link application. After that, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, you gotta select the parental Google account. Be sure to make that and do not mess your Google accounts. up, since if you will sign in with the wrong Google account, you will not be able to access the parental controls and supervise your child. And inside the app, you can do all kinds of stuff, such as, let it load itself, so such as setting up the daily limits, downtime routine, manage your child's app experience by enabling or disabling any app you want, as well as setting the app usage limits, and generally monitor your child's app activity. You can also apply content restrictions and age filters, configure account settings, and manage devices. And, well, you can also monitor your child's location and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.